Hey there, store owners and retailers. What's up? Welcome back. In today's video, we have some exciting news to help you boost sales and save your customers some money because it is tax-free weekend season. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with what tax-free weekend season is, let me break it down for you. So basically, during this time of year, certain states offer a period of time where certain items are available for purchase without paying sales tax. So basically, it's a win-win for both you and your customers. Now, before we dive into my tips and tricks to help you make the most of this time period, I do think it's important for you to understand what this means for your particular state. So what I've done is I have linked in the description bar an article that lists out what each state offers and when. So each state will have a different weekend that they offer, this tax-free weekend period, and each state will offer different items that will be eligible for no sales tax. So definitely make sure you take a look at this article to see what's going on for your state. I will say that I noticed that some states seem to be missing from the list. So I started to Google certain states to see when their tax-free weekend was, if they weren't on the list, and I was able to find some information because not every single state offers this tax-free weekend, but it seemed like more states offer it than were included on this list. I'm not really sure why. Maybe they hadn't posted their information at the time this article was published. Either way, you need to confirm what's going on for your state. So make sure you look at your state's local websites. But with that, let's take a look at some tips and tricks. So tax-free weekends create an awesome opportunity for you to boost sales because your shoppers, a lot of shoppers, love the idea of saving money on sales tax. So this can actually incentivize them to, or drive them to make more significant purchases during this time period. So tax-free weekend actually creates an awesome opportunity to increase foot traffic into your store and boost sales. A lot of shoppers love the idea of saving on sales tax. So this time period can actually drive them to make more significant purchases. So by promoting this weekend to your customers, you could actually attract new customers and also incentivize your loyal customers to come back and shop with you. So it's a great opportunity to actually clear out old inventory and make room for the new season, which in this case will be fall and winter. So now let's get down to some tips and tricks to help you make the most of this weekend. So first, what you can do is actually stock up on popular items. Take a look at the items that are eligible for tax-free status in your state and ensure you have a good supply of these in-demand products. You want to highlight them prominently in your store with your store displays and your marketing materials. And you can even offer attractive bundles or deals or offer additional discounts during tax-free weekend. Shoppers will be even more motivated when they can see that they can save even more. You also want to make sure that your staff are prepared for this time period as well. You want to ensure that they are prepared to offer excellent customer service, and you want to make sure they're knowledgeable on what items are eligible for tax-free savings. Now, your success with tax-free weekend will depend largely on how well you promote it to your customers. So let's take a look at some marketing tips and tricks. First, you can think about utilizing social media. You can create eye-catching graphics and marketing materials to promote and make your customers aware of the upcoming tax-free weekend. And you might even consider running targeted ads to reach a broader audience. You can also send out some information about tax-free weekend in your email campaigns, whether that's through your weekly or monthly newsletter. And you can even consider partnering or collaborating with influencers, local influencers, or even micro influencers, especially if they are the type to talk about budget friendly and saving tips. You can have them promote how much they can save at your store to their audience, which allows you to gain new customers. So to summarize, tax-free weekend is a great opportunity for you to boost sales, clear out old inventory, and attract new customers. You definitely want to think about what you can be doing to make your customers aware that this is coming up and motivate them to come and shop with you. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, especially if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest tips and tricks to help you boost revenue, grow your store, and take it to the next level. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. If you're interested in learning more about opening a clothing store, make sure to check out the free list of wholesale vendors that have been verified, and also check out the Open a Clothing Boutique e-course that teaches you everything you need to know to open a successful clothing boutique.